Hello guys, today we will explain how to download TikTok videos without watermark. So let's start the process. First of all, open your TikTok app. After it open, simply go to your video which you want to download from TikTok. So like I will download this video from TikTok. Now simply tap on this arrow sign which is at the right bottom. From here simply tap on the option copy link. Now close the TikTok app and open your mobile phone browser. Here, simply write like I am writing and tap on the option TikTok download videos. Open this website ssstik.io. Open this one, paste here the link of the video and tap on the option download. Now simply tap on the option without watermark. So as you see now my video is downloading. So as you see now video is downloaded. Now simply tap on the option open. So as you see here is no watermark of TikTok. So by this way you can download the videos from TikTok without watermark. Let us know if you face any issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon